Did you know that listening to music and writing reviews about it can earn you money? Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. One of the many ways to make money online is through listening to music. You can significantly increase your pocket money simply by signing up for the websites mentioned in this guide. Why do these sites compensate you? Users are paid to review the music of new and upcoming singers and songwriters on such websites. To help musical artists find the direction they need for their songs, these websites require feedback from a wide range of people. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. So what should I do now? Actually, it's quite simple. Simply register on the websites and create a profile. You can begin working after your profile has been approved. You have 2 tasks to complete: listening and reviewing. Listen to new and emerging artists' songs and write reviews about them. You earn more money the more you listen. MusicXray is a website where singers and songwriters can submit their songs and earn money while listening to them. It is a platform that connects artists with talent scouts. By submitting their songs to the portal and generating followership, these artists pay a fee to promote their music and build a fan base. Users can register as fans to listen to their favorite music. The website then pays these users or fans to listen to the music of these amateur artists. The majority of their recordings are only 30 seconds long. MusicXray only accepts PayPal payments. They pay 10 cents per song to their users. A payout must meet a minimum of $20. What if you could listen to music and be compensated for your opinion? Playlist Push enables you to do just that. The platform's goal is to help talented singers reach the top by supporting indie artists and singers. This website is for you if you think you have a good musical taste and can write reviews. To be considered for the curator program, you must have a playlist on Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. You should also have a significant number of followers, or your application may be rejected. Playlist Push pays extremely well. You will be paid $12 for each song you review. Payments are made to your bank account directly. Current.us is a mobile application for Android and iOS that pays you around $600 per year for listening to music on your phone. If you want to earn money while listening to music, this is one of the most rewarding applications. You can make money while working at the office, jogging, or even commuting. In essence, you earn money by earning points for using the application. You will earn more money the more you tap on the application's music or other features. They are constantly adding new ways to earn money, so it will only get better. You can use your points to buy gift cards, record music for offline listening, or cash out using PayPal. If you want to make money while listening to the radio, Radio Earn is a great place to start. You begin by creating a profile, after which you can begin listening and earning. You can embed the radio on your website for other users to listen to if you are a webmaster. This option will also provide you with passive income. Every 15 minutes, you will receive points. After that, the points are converted to US dollars. PayPal is used to take monthly payments. If you want to listen to music while also earning money, We Localize is a great option. However, rather than the usual song reviews, this website focuses on lyrics. It is a transcription job which you type the lyrics while listening to the music. You will receive new tracks every day after creating a free account on this website. All you have to do now is transcribe the tracks. To make a decent living on this platform, you will need a fast typing speed. This website currently pays around $4 for each song you transcribe. It is not difficult to transcribe the lyrics of around 30 songs per month in just a few minutes each day. You can also get your earnings directly into your account via wire transfer or ACH, but you must be a permanent resident of the United States. Another great music research company that pre-tests songs before they air is Predictor. They compensate users for listening to music and providing feedback on it. Users must simply register, select their preferred music genre, listen to a sample of the music, and rate it. Users are rewarded with points by the company. You get 3 points for each song you rate, which is equal to $1. You can exchange your points for Amazon gift cards and other prizes once you have accumulated enough. Users can also earn money by giving artists ratings. Cash for Minutes is a website that rewards users for making phone calls and listening to the radio. Users create accounts and provide contact information, including a landline phone number. Following the completion of your profile, you will receive emails with tasks to complete. Users can choose to listen to any available radio station at any time. Cash for Minutes pays $0.08 per minute to its listeners. You can pay with PayPal, Bitcoin, or Litecoin, or you can use Amazon gift cards to get your money back. Earnably is undoubtedly one of the highest paying websites operating worldwide if you want to make money listening to music. On this platform, you can watch newly released music videos. You can also increase your overall income by completing various small tasks. For each task you complete, this website will award you with points. Apart from watching music videos, you can do anything from taking surveys to watching paid advertisements. One of the best aspects of this website is that you can earn money by listening to online radio stations. This website also has a referral program where you can earn $10 of your referral's earnings for the rest of their lives. You can directly transfer your earnings to PayPal once you reach the $2 withdrawal limit. They also accept Amazon gift cards and Bitcoin as payment methods. Since its inception in 2007, the site has grown to over 2 million users, with thousands more joining every day. You basically have to listen to new music and then rate it on this site. However, you must listen to the song for at least 90 seconds before rating it, writing a short review, or commenting on what you like and didn't like about it. Slice the Pie pays around $0.02 per song review, but if you stay consistent, your earnings can increase to $0.2 per review. You will be able to participate in more reviews as your account gets older. When writing a review, try to be as specific as possible about the various aspects of the track. Payments for each review are sent out instantly, and you can withdraw your earnings twice a week via PayPal. You must, however, use at least $10 of your withdrawal limit before transferring your funds. Researchfm is a website that currently compensates its users for reviewing new music. It has a dedicated section on the website where you can listen to and rate new tracks right away. It also has an application that you can get from the Google Play Store and in the Apple Application Store. This website is primarily based on a survey model in which you must write a brief review of the song you are listening to. Currently, membership is only available by invitation. As a result, you can ask any current member of this website to refer you. You can listen to new tracks directly from the dashboard after creating an account on this platform. Your earnings can also be withdrawn via PayPal deposits or direct wire transfers. You must, however, exceed the minimum withdrawal limit. Music is, after all, one of the most beautiful things on the planet. It was most likely inspired by the sounds of nature, such as bird chirps and pain and frustration cries. They always make our lives a little bit better. And now you have the fantastic opportunity to be compensated for listening to music. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. So that is it for today's video, everyone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.